Do you know many people are having trouble with assembling their Char-Broil Performance 5B barbecue? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Read instructions. The Char-Broil Performance 5B barbecue instructions are available in English, French, and Spanish. Step 2. Know origin. The barbecue is manufactured in China. Step 3. Check product info. For copyright details and manufacturing location, check the product information. Step 4. Follow assembly steps. Next, follow the assembly steps to set up your barbecue correctly. Step 5. Adhere to instructions. Carefully adhere to each instruction to ensure a proper assembly. By following these simple steps, you should have your Char-Broil Performance 5B barbecue assembled and ready to use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Char-Broil users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.